I'm Victoria with Tacoma Dodge Ram Fleet Department out in Tacoma, Washington. Today we have a Ram 3500 ProMaster with a 159-inch wheelbase and a 14-foot marathon van body installed on it up at Allied Body Works in South Seattle. With this large blank canvas you have a great place to be able to put your graphics and advertise your business along with your contact information so people know who you are and how to find you. When you're coming around, you've got your high visibility brake lights and reverse lamps, and then you have your textured bumper step, making it easier to get in and out of the van body, along with your factory backup camera so that as you come you can see how close you're getting when you're backing up to a loading area. In the back itself, you have a wood floor along with a wood siding as well as a fiberglass back, translucent roof, LED light, and then your roll-up barn door. In this particular ProMaster, you're able to put 3,300 pounds in the back cargo area so that you can get around town easily and carry everything that you need. We have the optional on-off-road tires, helping increase your traction as you're coming around. Great clearance underneath. With it being a front-wheel drive system, you don't have to worry about a whole bunch of components under the vehicle. Large trailer mirrors. When you're getting into you have a large map pocket as well as cup holder. On your bumper itself, it's a 3-piece bumper system. Integrated into the corner bumper pieces, you have your optional fog lights. And then we have our bright chrome grille with our Ram badging. Underneath the hood, we have the 3.6 liter V6 gas motor, along with a 6-speed automatic transmission. We ordered this van with the optional double passenger seat with 3 seat belts. In the center seat, you have an additional clipboard as well as cup holder that just flips up and down. Driver's seat, you have seat adjustments as well as adjustable armrest with your vinyl floor and your 3 cup holders. Along with your easy instrument displays. Climate control right here. You have a USB, DC, all of which are quick charge for you. You have a bunch of storage. You have an upper high mounted glove box along with a storage shelf. Your large wide mirrors with a heating element, and all four mirrors adjust electrically. Locking glove box. You'll see you have your clear radio display, which will show your backup camera when you throw it into reverse. With easy temperature controls, your 6-speed automatic transmission. You have also your instrument panel disc controls right here. On your steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth controls, easy to hit just with your thumb, and that's for your for answering, hanging up, and volume controls. This has been Victoria with Tacoma Dodge and Ram Fleet Department, going over the Ram 3500 ProMaster 159 with a marathon van body. Thank you very much for your time.